Hi, welcome back. This is something really simple. I just want to have it out there. You spend so much time writing content for your website, writing blog posts, and then you must also make sure you save it properly, because if you are only saving it on your computer, that's not the best thing to do. I have lost content from my computer, okay? And my teammates, my employees have lost content as well from their computers. So you should make sure when you're working so hard that one, you also save your content, your blog post, maybe in an external hard drive. Okay, you can buy these at Amazon for maybe about $50, $100. I bought one with 1 terabyte, which is, you would never need that really, for $97. So get something around 40, $50. The good thing is you can also carry it around with you, especially if you're traveling to, let's say, a remote area where you're not getting internet connection and so on. Or maybe your laptop does not have, data capability, or doesn't go online, doesn't have internet connection. Then you can carry an external hard drive. So anytime you write a post, you save it on your computer, of course, but also copy that in the external hard drive. Now, I also use Google Drive. I use Google Drive to save all my data when I'm working on a laptop. It has some good benefits, like I can access my data from different computers, from different places. If I'm working in my, let's say, from my sunroom on my laptop, I'll save something on my computer and then transfer it to Google Drive. And then I walk into my office next day, I can access the same thing from my desktop computer. So you can do the same, use Google Drive. It's free. Everybody has it. If you have a Google account, you already have a Google Drive. So just get used to that, saving images, saving data, saving blog posts, saving content to your Google Drive. And then you can, access it from multiple computers. You can even give access to a certain post. Let's say if you write a post, now you want somebody to proofread it. You don't have to email them. You upload it to your Google Drive and give your writer the access to that one post, not your entire drive, but only that one single post. Or you can create a folder, give access to the folder to one of your writers, and every time you write something, you upload it to the Google Drive in that folder, so they'll get it, they'll edit it, and re-upload it to the same folder. Okay, I do that all the time. So between me and my teams, this is what we do. We use Google Drive, and so that's how we transfer data back and forth with each other, videos, audio, and content as well. And then of course you can use Dropbox. I prefer Google Drive, but I know some of our clients prefer Dropbox, so we use that as well. It's free to begin with, and which should be enough for you. You'll never need to buy Dropbox or Google Drive's extended, let's say, plan, because with Google Drive, I think you can have data for up to 25 gig. That's a lot of data. You don't need to buy the paid version. Unless you're in a business like mine, then it's a different thing, but you would not need it. So use one of these, tools to save data off your computer, not just your blog post, but I'd say everything else that you have on your PC. Use Google Drive, external hard drive, or Dropbox, but use something else besides saving all your hard work on your computer, because you have no idea how it feels when you lose your hard work just because your laptop stops working. Okay, so you should save everything on an external hard drive or Google Drive or something else that you want to work with. Okay, so I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.